In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on Stripe. Whether you're trimming your expenses or transitioning to another service, having the know-how to manage your subscriptions effectively is essential. Let's break this down into simple, manageable steps so you can easily follow along. First, you'll need to start by going to your Stripe account. If you're not familiar with Stripe, it's a popular platform for managing online payments, and it's widely used by businesses for processing transactions. So, logging into your account is the first piece of the puzzle. Grab a device with internet access and navigate over to the Stripe website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Remember, keeping your login details secure is important, so make sure you're logging in from a safe location. Upon entering your dashboard, you'll notice various options on the menu. Look for Billing in the navigation pane, and when you find it, click on it. The Billing section allows you to manage your subscribers, invoices, and all things related to your financial transactions on the platform. Now, within the Billing menu, you should see an option labeled Subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions to proceed. This is where you'll find the complete list of all subscription plans associated with your account. It's the hub for managing who or what your business is subscribed to. Once you're in the Subscriptions section, a section called All Subscriptions will show you every active subscription under your management. If you have ongoing subscriptions, this is where you'll see them listed. Now take a moment to review your list and identify the specific subscription you want to cancel. Next to the subscription you wish to cancel, you should see 3 dots, often referred to as an options menu. By clicking on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you'll notice one that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and select that option. When you click Cancel Subscription, Stripe may prompt you with a confirmation or a series of options regarding the cancellation details. This is a good time to make sure you understand the implications of the cancellation, such as any proration details or future charges. Carefully read the prompts, and when you're ready, confirm your cancellation. And that's it. You're done. Once confirmed, your subscription will be terminated according to the terms you selected. You've successfully managed your subscription right from your Stripe account. In conclusion, managing subscriptions through Stripe is a straightforward process once you know where to go. This guide aims to provide you with clarity and confidence when handling your billing operations. So, the next time you need to make changes to your subscriptions, you'll have the know-how to do it in just a few steps. Happy managing.